Maybe this is your sign to go outside.
Hey.
Trade Wi-Fi for wild flowers. Trade curated feeds for unfiltered wonder. This is your sign to take your tools.
There we go. Ready?
Look up and lean into something real. Pitch your ideas to a body of water. Get notes from the birds. Touch some grass. Meet some people.
There's no happiness in the forest.
Brainstorm in the sun. On a hike.
Wait, like, where are we right now?
By the fire.
I know. So how have you guys felt since you've gotten here, creativity-wise?
It's not a break from creativity. It's a return to it.
Beautiful, ancient giant.
Take this as your sign. Now, what will you make?
Folks really need to sit out and absorb the beauty that nature can offer them, the inspiration, especially creators. We need it. You need it. Get outside, child. Get outside.